When you've done magic, as long as I have, 3 questions will haunt you until the day you die. How'd you do that? Can you make my wife disappear? And what's your favorite trick? I'm gonna answer all of them honestly, right now. I did it very well, thank you for asking. I can't make her disappear, but my cousin is a divorce lawyer. Honestly, the third one is the easiest to answer. My favorite trick is the world's most interesting card trick. Why is it called the world's most interesting card trick? Because magicians are narcissists. When I was 10 years old, if I did good in school, my mom would drive us from the South Bay of Los Angeles to Hollywood Boulevard. We would spend hours in a tiny shop called Hollywood Magic. My first visit when I was 10, I saw this, and it blew me away. 16 years later, it's still my favorite. And I'd like to show you why it's so special. Usually in card tricks, the cards are spread, you pick a card, we lose the card. It's my job as the magician to find it with just a little bit of pizzazz. If you don't have any pizzazz, don't worry about it. Magicians often substitute that with a pun because magic scripts are... Let's not think about it. Don't worry, we're not doing anything I just listed. You're not going to pick a card. We're just going to do the top 4 from the deck. And we could actually box the rest. We won't need them anymore. So, top 4 cards. Let's see how we did. We got the Ace of Diamonds, very good. The Ace of Clubs, and oh, shit. That's pretty good. But I think we can do just a little better. You see, I've heard every theory on how this works. Threads, magnets, holograms, because that's in the budget. But the craziest theory I've ever heard was that I could have 3 cards in this hand, 1 card in that hand, and a card goes up my sleeve, across my chest, down this sleeve, and now the black cards are on the table with the red in my hand. So when I was young, I didn't know they were called spades. I thought they were arrows, so I'll just shoot that across right now and get it taken care of. The last ace is tricky. It has to travel alone. So I'm gonna make it jump from the table to my hand. Watch, 1, 2, 3. The world's most interesting card trick. It doesn't end with a pun, but there is a punchline.